हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है बुद्धिज़्म, जो कि एंशियंट हिस्ट्री का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है, जिससे हर ईयर आपके एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चन बनते ही बनते हैं, जिसके हम टॉप 40 MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे एंड वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु इज कंसिडर्ड द फाउंडर ऑफ बुद्धिज्म? And the answer is Siddhartha Gautam. Second question, where did Siddhartha Gautam attain enlightenment? And the answer is Bodh Gaya. Third question, what is the name of the first sermon given by Buddha? And the answer is Dharmachakra Parvartan. Fourth question, which language was used by Buddha to preach his sermons? And the answer is Pali. Fifth question, what is the ultimate goal of Buddhism? And the answer is Nirvana. Sixth question, where was Buddha born? And the answer is Lumbini. Seventh question, what is the term for the Buddhist community of monks and nuns? And the answer is Sangha. Eighth question, which Buddhist council was held during the reign of King Ashoka? And the answer is third. Ninth question, Buddha father Suddhodana belongs to which dynasty? And the answer is Sakya dynasty. 10th question, Buddha lived during the year? And the answer is 563 to 483 BC. 11th question, Buddha preached his first sermon at? And the answer is Sarnath. 12th question, Buddha was entitled under? And the answer is Bodhi tree. 13th question, Buddhism was divided during the period of? And the answer is Kanishka. 14th question, the event marking Buddha's enlightenment is known as? And the answer is Bodhi. 15th question, how many noble truths are central to Buddhism? And the answer is 4. 16th question, which of these is not part of the Noble Eightfold Path? And the answer is right belief. 17th question, who convened the first Buddhist council after the Buddha's passing? And the answer is Mahakashyap. 18th question, the Abhidhamma Pitaka focuses on? And the answer is philosophical analysis. 19th question, the ultimate goal of Buddha's teaching is? And the answer is Nirvana. 20th question, the teachings of Buddha were first written down around? And the answer is 25 BCE. 21st question, the Buddhist council that led to the division of Buddhism into Mahayana and Hinayana occurred during the reign of? And the answer is Kanishka. 22nd question. What does the Vinaya Pitaka primarily consist of? And the answer is rules of conduct and discipline. 23rd question. Who presided over the 4th Buddhist Council? And the answer is Vasumitra. 24th question. The Buddhist text that consists of the rules of conduct for monastic life is known as? And the answer is Vinaya Pitaka. 25th question. The philosophical analysis and systematization of Buddhist teachings are found in? And the answer is Abhidhamma Pitaka. 26th question. The Mahayana tradition originated primarily in which region? And the answer is Northern India. 27th question. Who was the chief disciple of Buddha? And the answer is Sariputta. 28th question. The concept of dukkha in Buddhism refers to? And the answer is the nature of suffering. 29th question. The spread of Buddhism was greatly facilitated by? And the answer is Emperor Ashoka. 30th question. Which Buddhist school focuses on complex rituals and esoteric elements? And the answer is Vajrayana. 31st question. The Buddha emphasized that enlightenment could be achieved? And the answer is in this lifetime. 32nd question. The council had to resolve doctrinal disputes and led to the formation of the Mahayana tradition is known as the? And the answer is 4th Council. 33rd question. The essence of Buddhism is? And the answer is the attainment of enlightenment. 34th question. Who succeeded the Buddha as the leader of the Sangha after his parinirvana? And the answer is Mahakashyap. 35th question. The Buddhist site recognized by UNESCO that is associated with the Buddha's enlightenment is located in? And the answer is Bodh Gaya. 36th question. Who was the ruler responsible for spreading Buddhism beyond the Indian subcontinent? And the answer is Ashoka. 37th question. The collection of dialogues and discourses attributed to the Buddha is known as? And the answer is Sutta Pitaka. 38th question. What does the term anatta in Buddhism refers to? And the answer is no self. 39th question. Which Buddhist council was responsible for compiling the Buddhist scriptures into written form? And the answer is 3rd Council. And the last 40th question. Which region was known for being a center of Buddhist learning and education in ancient times? And the answer is Nalanda. तो ये थे बुद्धिज्म के टॉप 40 MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है हु इज कंसिडर्ड द हिस्टोरिकल बुद्धास क्लोजेस्ट कंपेनियन एंड कजिन। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।